Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liam and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, today we have an intermediate lesson for you, modifiers. This is part 2 of the video, so if you have not seen part 1, watch part 1 here. So, if you want to learn English grammar, stay tuned. Okay, let's talk about modifiers, specifically with adverbs and adjectives. Let's begin. Okay, in North America, and this is my opinion, okay, my opinion as an English teacher in North America. Other teachers might disagree with me. I just want to let you know this is my opinion. In North America, a bit, fairly, quite, and really are the most common spoken modifiers. So they are the most commonly spoken modifiers in English. And in my opinion, really is the most common modifier in all spoken English. So if you think about the modifiers we have talked about today, really is the most common of all of them. For example, it's really good. What is it? It doesn't matter for this example. Something is really good. Coffee. It's really good. It's really bad. It's really good. It's really bad. So, really can be used for positive adjectives, good, and really can be used for negative adjectives, really bad. Really is strong. So it can be strong good or strong bad. Modifiers can be used to make a statement softer. What does softer mean? Softer means less impactful or less powerful. Maybe you want to be more polite, less direct. You can use modifiers to be more polite and less direct with your speech. To do this, we usually, but not always, change a positive sentence into a negative sentence, or we change a negative sentence into a positive sentence. Let's look at some examples. The movie was really bad. Is this sentence positive or negative? Don't look at the adjective bad. Bad is obviously negative. You should look at the verb. Was is positive. The movie wasn't very good. Good is positive, but we don't need to look at the adjective. We should look at the verb, wasn't. It's negative. So, the movie was really bad. It is more strong and it is negative. The adjective, bad. The movie wasn't very good. The movie wasn't very good. This means it is not good. Therefore, it is closer to bad. The meaning is about the same. However, the second sentence is more polite. The movie wasn't very good is more polite. Let's see these two ideas together. The movie was really bad. The movie wasn't very good. You can see at the top in red, a little bit bad. At the bottom, really bad. And at the top in blue, really good. At the bottom in blue, not very good. Another example. English grammar is a bit boring, but necessary, I hope. Maybe a little bit interesting. I don't know. This is positive. Is. English grammar isn't very interesting. Negative. Isn't. English grammar is a bit boring. English grammar isn't very interesting. And the second one is more polite. English grammar isn't very interesting, is less powerful than saying English grammar is a bit boring. It's maybe rude, a bit. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps my small channel grow and reach new English speakers all over the world. If you want to see more videos, this really helps me grow my channel. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.